welcome back to the vlog. It's Samal here, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, today guys, I didn't have a plan, but my friend has a plan, so I'm just gonna go along with it. I don't know where the vlog is gonna end up, but I'm trying to be my best self because I'm literally on the live. Let me show you the live stream of my teacher's funeral from high school, and it's just like, it's so sad. I'm just like, oh Lord. But yeah, I'm trying to put my best face on, my game face. But guys, I'm just kickstarting the vlog here. I'm just sorry, just God believe in me, can't bother. So I'm trying to put something forward this week. But yeah, I think we're gonna go kayaking. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully I can take my camera with me. If I can't take the camera, I don't know how to go work because I probably use my phone. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it go, guys. But I'm just start the vlog for checking in with the guys, making know how it really go. So give me a couple minutes, guys, and I'll come back to you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Alright guys, so I can't carry my camera because when the camera get wet. So I do this with my phone. The phone drop, you don't hear from me hush, but you know it already. I look at shade and I'm not nervous, but when they can't swim, it's a judgment and a judgment. Anyways, guys, stay tuned and let's see. Guys, I'm walking the trail. Murder. Yes or no? Oh. To the river there? Let me step up river over here, sir.
I said hello.
Hello? You're in Jamaican dog.
What do you want to say? Hello?
Just, yeah, hello. Okay, sit here. I'm gonna get forced to do this rafting thing. Gotcha. But yeah. Guys, I guess we go kayak through this. We can't sense of this. Turn over with me over here, sir. I the whole I made this underwater. I'm name Vibes Cartel. Literally. I'm excited still, guys. Let's see how this go. Oh, God. Yeah, it looks calm, but Lord protect me even now. And we can't take the stress. Alright, guys.
You should have did 2 boats so that we could go separate ways.
No, I cannot. I can't. Certain things you have to really stop take on. I just searched last minute, but it's very beautiful here.
Just make sure you do your way.
Boss, I don't like this. The boat.
Okay.
Murder.
Where the seatbelts at?
You do not want a seatbelt because if it flips over, you don't want to be strapped in.
If it flips over?
No, I mean, they don't flip. You have to really, try to make it flip in order for that to happen.
Oh, okay.
Already? I'll get y'all out there.
Okay.
Okay.
We're ready.
Woo.
Now.
Okay.
Now.
Alright, Gigi.
To
To what?
is to. Well, the thing is.
I can't even paddle. You paddle first.
My job is to go forward. Your job is to steer.
Okay.
So you have to steer the boat.
Guys, I can't even go vlog this because I'm going to steer. Hold on. These are so nice. If my phone fell in this shit.
Do your arms hurt yet? You say your arms hurting?
No.
Got currents here.
Yeah. Let's not go to the trees.
No.
There you go.
Thank you, current. Okay.
Oh.
That was
Tired?
something, yeah. That was something. Murder. Whew. Guys, my fair paddle for dear life. It's a 5 miles I'm gonna reach now, but I'm still a struggle. The direct sunlight, I'm gonna say the water cool. Jesus God, man. Wait, guys, I'm supposed to steer where I go lean. I go right over here, so look where I go. Guys, I don't know if I steer or something, but Father good and God great guide me. The turtle, oh my God. There he is.
It's 4.
It's 4. Ooh. They need the shade because I need the shade too, girl. God have grace, man.
In the water.
I can't, guys, don't understand seaweed right there, but with that, it's like a seaweed a while ago and something. But yeah.
Wear my comfort.
Murder, guys, murder. Imagine the 5 miles don't reach nowhere yet. Can you imagine? I need to cut off war, line of Judah, break every chain. Guys, I go straight over here, sir. Murder. Ain't no diva. She ain't no diva. Alright guys, my boy in the dark. I just literally just, if you can see me, you can see me. If you can't see me, you can't see me. I literally just reached back. I'm tired. And even when when you can't see me, I'm tired. It was an adventure. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. It was very, first time I did anything like kayaking. I did really lit the sun. Lick me, clap me, thump me, box me, everything. But I survived it. I don't mean that. The sun really calmed me down. I'm just tired. I'm exhausted. But no, I've got to cook. So probably like the party. I don't know yet. So you're supposed to easily clip them. Have fun. On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate it probably like a solid 8. Because if it was a case where we need an early morning now, it would be very even more fun. Because it would be cool. But the sun, the S-U-N, never that R-O-M-P, never that R. Okay, yeah. I need some exhausted self, but yeah. Oh, guys, I'm soon come back again. See you in the next clip. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, this morning I come to you, I'm sick out. Rebo shatter. But anyways, I go on the road this morning. I jump right down the night. I go on the road this morning, this afternoone. I need to get something sorted out. I'm putting a focus. My room is a MES, so I'm trying to hold up the camera because my room is a mess. I just go up on the road and something really quick for like get something sorted out and stuff. But I want to show my outfit of the day, but my room is a mess. I don't want to show my room right now. That's just me. But anyways, guys, come on the road. I soon come back. But yeah, I'll clean up my room and I'll come back and do other little things and something. I'll probably buy groceries. I'm not sure yet. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I'm broke. It's a broke boy trying. Means I broke boy trying. Alright? Yeah. I'm back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Next day, next clip, new clip. Today I'm actually here to get a haircut at the Walmart. Let me show you. The Walmart. Oh Lord, my Instagram off warm. I can't show you from this side because this bright bad. And twos, you have to get a cut because I love how my head look. No. But that everything. I washed it this morning. But yeah, I'm here at the Walmart to get a haircut and probably I'll shop. I don't know. Maybe I shop. I don't know if I go shop this or no. I'm not really 100% sure. But I know I have food for eat. Cause I did cook last night. Cook some beef and rice. I'm gonna mash up piece like this morning before I'm going to the hairdressing place. I have to go get my hair done today. I'm not get my hair bleached today because I don't want to bleach my hair too quick. And the bleach kind of hot, so I don't even really want to go back. The bleach just yet, I'm still indecisive. But for a fact, I know I'm gonna get a cut and like get my face looking like something. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my ear just yet. But I know if a fact is that I'm gonna get it cut, I'm gonna get it bleached. Possibly not so I can wash my ear. I know them advise if I wash your ear and if I get it bleached because you know it will cause scalp damage or something like that. So I'm probably do that and then probably go to the mall. I'm probably coming in to stock up on my perfume, my outer perfume and cologne. My outer like a body scent. I'm going to go Bath and Body Works too. I'm probably going to Jamaican store. I'm not 100% sure. But let's see how the day progresses. I'm probably getting my car washed today, but I don't know because it need to get a wash. But because I physically do it myself, I don't feel 100% yet. But let's see. I'm not really 100% sure. I don't look at the monitor over here, so I'm looking directly on the eye. You get me? Yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to mash up the food and try for like eat and then come back to the guys and something and you know. Yeah now. Yeah, give me a few. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna make a pause of music because I'm gonna want. I'm not bother eat. I'm not bother eat none at all. I just think to me, I just go straight in and get my haircut. Can't bother eat first, to be honest with you. I can't bother eat first. Come eat first, I get comfortable and then I not go and get up for go eat. Flipping ask me, I want. I just want to say I focus on my goal. I don't want to get comfortable and I don't want to move. You get me, sir? So I'm gonna go in, I left my Starbucks drink. And then take it from this up. Guys, I'm already up on my phone already. Like, this one, I'm up on my phone because I keep back for you to carry like all the camera in my hand. And I'm not gonna tell you a lie. It kinda, I don't want to hold it up, so I can get to see me more, but at the end of the day, I'm there to start walking on the sun. I take it off the war, line of the Jude. I'm looking at something like that carrier because you know, the stress and the drama. All on there, it's gonna make me look at things, I'm look at chocolates, them gone. Cause you know, them still there, so you know, the room for rent supply within. When I run out, then you run in. You know, that's joking. Coming I want to go to prison, you understand me? Yeah. Overall, so far, guys, the sun is hot. We reach at the Walmart, and I'm gonna literally come back to my reach inside. Hold on there. Guys, I'm trying to get my hairdresser for like come out. Not hairdresser still, but they call a person, the person with the hair. She cut hair too. And everything wise, so you know what they're gonna do. Oh yeah. You guys see that? You know, kind of go back to my roots. Alright guys, so I'm at the mall and I'm going in. I have a little bit of errands to run. I don't think I'm gonna get to wash my car today, but it is life. I saw life go. I'm on the phone with a girl. She murder she done me so let's see. But yeah, I need to go to the Sephora, I need to go to the Bath and Body Works, and that's them two places I go. And like I feel like I need to stock up. I need to stock up on the things that I need. So let's see if them have what I need. Have them coming out, I'm broke like a buckle, broke like a thermos. You don't know, empty like a BOTTTLE. Yeah, bottle. Yeah, we're going professional uptown, Upper St. Andrew. But let's go into this store. I'm kind of a bit behind on time, but let's see. Yeah. If I'm just for now, I can't even find what I need for fine. Like, yeah, I say the ordinary, but I must send something already still. Barrier, student here, see that? I don't know. Because I call them use over here, so right? And believe me, when I say it's like a Brazilian crush. I think I said oh, see that? On it. I think so. I think so. I'm gonna go to. Oh, sorry. I said when my Brazilian crush, you know, so it smells really, really good. And I think it's like. I use it when I feel like I'm also to know we don't feel about it because it smells really, really good. But the man have a body oil. Much Now come back for the body oil. At $52 feet I'm gonna have it. Broke like a buckle. I think is it 8 fluid ounce? Let me see how much 8 fluid ounce for $38. It's not bad. It's mega buy today. I can show now. See that one mega buy. I normally buy. Last time I did buy the travel pack, travel size. Maybe you buy the travel size the last time, but I don't know. But yeah.